GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find some links. It says swing like a pro. So that's the first thing we'll talk about. You can join my free Telegram and you can book consultation with me if you want to talk to me one-to-one. And check out the brokers right here. All the links are below the video. Go help yourself. So click on swing like a pro. Come to this page right here. And you can check out all these setups which we have taken in the recent past. Okay, so go and join this program if you want. And let's get back to the chart right here. So starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we never made a new high. So this was your resistance, new low, pullback, and then we are going down. Daily is what we have. Daily, we are already below the EMA. At the same time, we have not broken this low. So this is time for a pullback. Okay, we are down, but it's time for a pullback. Coming back to 4 hour. 4 hour new low is created, as you can see here, right? So new low is created, but again, this is your double top. We have to wait for the pullback until this high doesn't break. No longs, so we have to wait for the pullback and then look for shorts. So if you want to enter and exit with me, then go and join this swing like a pro program. Otherwise, look for shorts after each pullback in GBPUSD for now. And that's it. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.